All right, let's jump right in. When you picture the future of AI, what's the first thing that comes to mind? For a lot of us, it's probably this idea of a single, all-powerful superintelligence, right? Some kind of digital genius that knows absolutely everything. But what if the next giant leap forward isn't about building one even bigger brain, but about teaching different AIs how to actually work together as a team?
And that, right there, is the big question we're tackling. With all the amazing progress we've seen from these massive, monolithic models, is that really the only path forward? Is a single giant brain always the best answer? Or, are we starting to bump up against the limits of what a lone genius, even an artificial one, can do on its own?
Well, it turns out there's a huge shift happening right now. The whole thinking is moving away from this single genius model and towards the idea of a team of specialists. And it makes a ton of sense, right? I mean, think about it. In our world, the biggest breakthroughs, the most complex projects, they almost always come from collaboration. So why would AI be any different? Just imagine an AI that's a brilliant creative writer, another that's a super meticulous fact checker, and a third that's a lightning-fast coder. The stuff they could build together, it's mind-boggling.
But here's the thing. Before you can build a championship team, you need a playbook. You need rules, a common goal. And for the longest time, the world of AI collaboration just didn't have one. The whole field was kind of the Wild West. Everyone was playing a different game by their own set of rules.
In fact, the researchers who wrote this paper used some pretty blunt words to describe it. They said the field was disparate and disconnected. Basically, you had all these brilliant minds in different labs all over the world, all working on the same idea, but no one was really talking to each other. They weren't using the same language, the same tools. It was pretty chaotic.
So what does that chaos actually look like in practice? Well, it means you can't properly compare one method to another. It means amazing ideas get stuck in their own little bubbles because they're developed in totally separate research communities. And maybe most importantly, without a single unified way to test things, it's almost impossible to know if you're even making real progress. The whole field was just kind of stuck.
So, how do you fix a problem like that? How do you bring order to the chaos? This is where the story really takes a turn. Researchers got together and built an incredible new toolkit, a unified playbook for AI teamwork, and they called it MoCo.
So what exactly is MoCo? The best way to think about it is as the ultimate training ground and rulebook for these AI teams. It's this one-stop software library that lets developers run, test, and directly compare all the different ways that AI models can work together. It basically takes all that chaos we were talking about and turns it into a structured, organized science.
And when you look at the numbers, you really get a sense of the scale here. MoCo isn't some small tool. It brings together 26 different methods for getting models to collaborate. You can think of these as different team strategies or plays in the playbook. Everything from a simple handoff, where one AI passes a task to the right specialist, to really complex debates where multiple AIs argue over the best answer. It's all in one place, ready to go head-to-head.
And how do you know which strategy is best? Well, MoCo also comes loaded with 25 different evaluation datasets. And these are like the ultimate AI obstacle courses. They cover everything from super complex logical reasoning and coding challenges to making sure the AI's answers are actually safe and helpful. It is, for all intents and purposes, a comprehensive AI Olympics, all built into this one library. Okay, so we've got the toolkit, we've got the testing grounds. That brings us to the million-dollar question. Does any of this actually work? Does putting AIs on a team really make them better? Let's see what the data says.
This is it, the moment of truth. After all this work to organize the entire field and build this amazing tool, what did they find out? Is this whole team of specialists thing just a cool theory, or does it actually deliver a real, measurable boost in performance?
Well, the answer was a huge, resounding yes. The massive number of experiments run using MoCo showed that collaboration strategies beat single models in over 61% of all the scenarios they tested. You can see it right here on the chart. The difference is clear. On average, teamwork just wins. And listen to this. We're not talking about small, tiny improvements. The most effective collaboration methods boosted performance by up to almost 26%. In the world of AI development, that's not just a little tweak. That's a massive, game-changing leap in capability. And it was achieved just by getting AIs to work together better. And this, right here, is the real heart of why this is so important. It's not just about getting a higher score on some test. The research shows that these AI teams can solve problems that those individual giant models, they just get stuck on. You see, a single model, no matter how big it is, has its own blind spots, its own biases. But a team can cover for each other. If a coding specialist gets stuck on a logic problem, a reasoning specialist can step in and help out. They overcome the weaknesses that a single genius might have.
So, zooming out, what does all this mean for the big picture? Well, tools like MoCo and the incredible results they're showing us are really paving the way for a totally new vision for the future of artificial intelligence.
This quote from the researchers just sums it up perfectly. We're on a quest for an open, modular, decentralized, and collaborative AI future. What that means is we're moving away from a world dominated by a few massive closed-off models. The dream is an open ecosystem where smaller, specialized AIs can plug into each other, combine their skills, and work together.
And that leaves us with this one last really exciting thought to chew on. If we know for a fact that AI teamwork can solve problems that a single model can't, well, that just opens up a whole universe of possibilities. What are the grand challenges out there in science, in medicine, in art that are just sitting there waiting for the right team of AIs to come along and crack them? It seems like the era of the lone genius might be ending, and the age of the AI super team is just beginning.